Well, you might have seen the load of tools by Google. This is a Jules, and it was amazing for coding and stuff like that. And this is a URL, and this is a UI of this. And the another tool is a Stitch, and it was a bet for the UI and UX designing. That's a cool type of stuff, and it's really amazing. I have made a lot of things using this, and this is the OPAL by Google. Well, few couple days ago, it was released by Google, and it's it's really interesting. Building editor and share app using mini AI app using natural language. It's really kind of stuff that you should use, and just go and sign up here or using the tools like. So I made this mood tracker that can track my mood using the user input and all stuff. Let me show you how you can create exact thing using the Opal by Google. And it was launched 24th July. And I created a lot of stuff like task tracker and journaling tracker, mood tracker, as same you just see. And so there are a lot of things in the gallery. You can see the blog post writer, book recordings, I think book recommendations, business profiler, city games, as well the claymation that you just need to post the images and it will convert in the glaze form. And the fashion stylist create the weather appropriate outfit for a specific occasion. Generate a playlist. Create a playlist for your current mood with YouTube links. You just need to paste the links, and it will convert into the playlist. Learning with YouTube. Turn your YouTube video into the quiz to help you learn. And this is for product research. Just it will ask some question to you, and it will provide the product which you want. And the social media post, it's the same as this. Just you need to provide the company name and other details, and it will create the post. And this is a spelling bee. Here a word and example sentence, then spell it. But it's just simple for the childs. And this is a video marketer. It's this is the most powerful. It can create an ad for your market research and stuff like that. You just need to paste the product or product image and select the audience. It will create into the ad. And this is simple that you're going to create, and you just need to, if you're not on- okay, just it's. And I forgot what this you just when you click on a remix, you can able to remix this kind of stuff. And these all are free. And if you want to create the other apps, just click here, click on create new, and it will open the interface like this. And just you need to paste your prompt here, and it will create here all things. And you can even select the models. There are a lot of models present here, and user input output, and you can just upload your assets. According to that assets, it will make the app. And you can change even its theme as well. And it's literally free to use, and it's powerful if you want to create a simple and easy app, and you can able to send and share to anyone. And thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, let me know in a comment, and subscribe for more videos like more videos like this.